Master AI Digital Marketing, 10 Insane Tricks for 2025. Everyone's hyped about AI, rightfully so. But here's the thing, most people are just scratching the surface. Some marketers, the smart ones, are already using AI to absolutely crush it, like 5 steps ahead, making insane profits, kind of crushing it. You need the right strategies. That's why I'm breaking down 10 battle-tested AI marketing tricks that are straight up dominating in 2025. We're talking about saving time, saving money, and getting results faster than you ever thought possible. Want in? Stay tuned, or stay broke. AI plus buyer psychology crafting high-converting copy. Alright, let's talk about using AI to tap into the psychology of your buyers. We're talking about crafting copy that converts like crazy. The key here is emotion-based prompts. People buy based on emotion, not logic, so instead of just feeding ChatGPT generic prompts, get specific. Target those emotional triggers. Try this prompt. Write a headline that triggers urgency and FOMO for a Gen Z product launch. Combine that with a well-crafted sales page and boom, you've got yourself a conversion machine. Keywords to killer ads, supercharging your ads with AI. Next up, let's talk about ads. I'm talking about those scroll-stopping, click-worthy ads that actually convert. The first step? Keywords. You gotta know what your audience is searching for. That's where tools like Uber Suggest or Ahrefs come in. Once you've got your keywords, it's time to unleash the power of ChatGPT again. Feed it a prompt like this. Turn this keyword, insert your keyword, into a scroll-stopping Facebook ad with emojis and urgency. Auto-repurposing like a boss, scaling your content with AI. Content is king, right? But creating fresh content all the time, that's a grind. That's where the magic of AI-powered repurposing comes in. Imagine this, you create one killer video. Now, instead of letting that video sit on just one platform, you use AI to transform it into 10 different pieces of content. Tools like Opus Clip and InVideo AI are your secret weapons here. They can automatically chop up your video, add captions, and optimize it for different platforms. That's how the pros are doing it. Alright, let's get a little competitive, shall we? In the digital marketing game, you gotta know what your competition is up to. And I'm not just talking about casually checking their website every now and then. I'm talking about using AI to spy on their every move. Tools like Compite or SimilarWeb are your secret weapons here. They give you an inside look at your competitors' traffic sources, their top-performing ads, even the exact keywords they're ranking for. We're not just playing the game here, we're changing it. Ever wish you could add a professional voiceover to your videos, but didn't want to shell out hundreds of bucks? I feel you. The good news is, you don't have to anymore. AI voiceover tools have come a long way, and honestly, they sound incredibly realistic. One of my favorites is 11 Labs. They have a library of voices that sound so human you'd swear it was a real person. Combine 11 Labs with a video editing tool like InVideo, and you can pump out professional-grade marketing videos without breaking the bank. Let's talk about sales funnels. You know, those automated systems that guide your leads through the buying process. They're essential for any online business, but building them from scratch can be a headache. Well, guess what? AI's got your back here too. Tools like System.io and Builder.ai are about to become your new best friends. These platforms let you create entire funnels, landing pages, email sequences, upsells, the whole shebang, in just a few clicks. AI handles the heavy lifting for you. Emotion-based email sequences, crafting emails that convert. Email marketing is far from dead. In fact, it's still one of the most effective ways to connect with your audience and drive sales. But let's be real, writing compelling emails takes time. Enter ChatGPT. It can write entire email sequences that convert like crazy. Here's the key. Tell it what emotions you want to evoke. Try this prompt. Write a 3-day email series to sell a $99 course to freelancers using curiosity and urgency. You'll get a sequence that feels personal, builds anticipation, and drives action. Remember when everyone was talking about fidget spinners or Clubhouse? Those were trends that exploded seemingly overnight. Well, guess what? You can use AI to spot trends before they even hit the mainstream. Tools like Exploding Topics and Glasp AI are like crystal balls for the internet. They analyze millions of data points to identify emerging trends across different industries. Once you've found a trend that aligns with your brand, use AI to create the content. Ride the wave early and you'll be ahead of the game. Here's a little secret. Even the best marketers don't get it perfect on the first try. The key to success is constant testing and optimization. But analyzing data and making tweaks can be time-consuming. That's where AI comes in to save the day again. Tools like ChatGPT and Claude can actually analyze your marketing materials and give you specific suggestions for improvement. It's like having $1 million copywriter on call 24/7. Last but not least, let's talk about automation. Specifically, automating your sales process in DMs. Imagine this, you're sound asleep but your AI-powered chatbot is busy qualifying leads and closing deals for you. That's the power of tools like ManyChat and ChatFuel. These platforms let you create sophisticated chatbot flows that engage your audience, answer their questions, and even sell your products or services, all on autopilot. Talk about working smarter, not harder. And there you have it. 10 AI-powered marketing tricks that are absolutely crushing it in 2025. The future of marketing isn't about hustling harder, it's about working smarter. It's about leveraging the power of AI to automate tasks, personalize experiences, and get better results faster. So, which one of these tricks blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments down below. And hey, if you're serious about leveling up your marketing game, hit that subscribe button for more next-level strategies, because the best time to master AI was yesterday. The next best time is now. Don't get left behind.